Hi everyone. Today we're going to fix another annoyance on the Cord King 18-20. When they built this, they put this interesting metal shroud on here, and it looks cool. Even has cutout says Cord King. That's great, except for one little problem. A lot of the logs I get are really big, and sometimes a piece of the log will get snagged right on the bottom edge of this shroud. And you can see what it's done here is it's pulled away and it's all coming apart. All the rivets are busted out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off right here. Just going to slice it right off and do away with this end, and then I'll probably try to bash this in with a hammer or something, and then get maybe a screw or two in there to keep it in place, or maybe another rivet, who knows. Whatever I can get in there to keep it from rattling, because what's happening is, and you can see this white right here, those are scratches in this plexiglass, and that just looks like hell. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to cut that off, and first thing I'm doing is getting the plasma cutter out. We'll get that set up and get to it. The plasma cutter is a Hobart, an Air Force 250. It's a very small plasma cutter. I think you can do at least 1/8 of an inch thick material. It's pretty nice, comes in real handy. I'm going to try to cut a straight line, see how well I do. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Now the shroud on the other side, I don't know. I think I'm inclined to leave that alone. I think I'm going to leave that. It's not off, so I'm going to leave that alone. And then if it becomes a problem, then I'll cut that one off too. So drilling a hole in that thing was a heck of a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Now we'll attempt to put a rivet in there. Well, that wasn't easy. There goes my clamp again. All right, it's better than it was. Far from perfect, But at least that piece won't be snagging on logs anymore. Thank you for watching my short annoyance repair video. If you want to see the rest of my annoyance videos, look at the playlist. So if you like this or want to help me support my channel, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you and see you later.